At Slumberland Furniture, we want to make sure that we deliver an excellent customer experience across 120 locations, and it's imperative that we deliver a consistent brand so we can deliver that customer experience that we want. WebSphere Portal allows all of our employees to really focus and be engaged with the customers when they're in the store.
WebSphere Portal enabled us to converge all of our different technologies onto one platform and really make the experience for the user very unified, simple, which enabled us to really deliver a consistent brand to all of our stores and all of our users.
It removes the technology obstacle of trying to log in to several different systems. Did my password work? I'm locked out. I can't find the information. All the myriad of problems that a lot of companies, including Slumberland Furniture, used to have. Now that's gone away, and we are able to deliver an excellent customer experience.
WebSphere Portal enables us to quickly get the information to the users, and it's enabled us to help reduce the silos. In a lean organization, collaboration and efficient communication across the organization is essential.
So one of the nice benefits of WebSphere Portal at Slumberland Furniture is the employee satisfaction has certainly dramatically increased, and we believe it's because the employees are feeling like they have the information they need to better engage their customers and making sure that we are able to respond nimbly to the marketplace. One of the biggest paybacks that we're finding is if we can control our inventory levels, reduce our inventory levels while having the product availability still widely available, our customers are having a great shopping experience while our costs are down.